Hello everyone, I'm LVC Korean. I'm doing my postgraduate in social work from Prestigious University. So today I'm going to talk about the concept of human behavior and its fundamental characteristics. So human behavior includes everything we do, think and feel. So it includes our actions, reactions, emotions, thoughts and responses. Behavior can be divided into two types. First, observable behavior, like speaking, walking, helping others, or interacting with people. Second, internal processes, such as thinking, feeling, decision making, and imagining. Human behavior is not random, it is shaped by many influencing factors. Understanding behavior is very important in psychology and social work because it helps us to understand the individuals and society. It also explains why people behave differently even in similar situations. This understanding helps professionals plan proper interventions and bring positive changes. So next is concept of human behavior. Human behavior is the result of interaction between the individual and the environment. It is a multi-dimensional, meaning it is not caused by by just one factor. Behavior develops through continuous interaction between the heredity and environment. It is influenced by biological factors, psychological processes, social environment, physical surroundings. And now let us understand these perspectives one by one. So next, this first one is biological perspective. So the biological perspective explains that behavior is influenced by genetics and heredity. Some traits like temperament and intelligence may be inherited. Our brain plays a major role in controlling the behavior. The brain and hormones affect emotions, learning, memory, decision making, mood, aggression, and stress responses. So, biological factors form the foundation of human behavior. The next one is psychological perspective. So, the psychological perspective focuses on mental processes. Our past experiences influence our present behavior. For example, trauma can change the way a person reacts to stress. Self esteem, coping skills, thoughts, and beliefs all shape our actions. This perspective includes perception, learning, motivation, emotions, and personality. So, what we think and feel internally strongly affect how we behave externally. So, next one is social perspective. Human beings are social beings. Our behavior is influenced by the people around us and the roles we play, like student, parent, or worker. Behavior is shaped by family, peers, school, community, culture, and religion. Through socialization, we learn what is right and wrong, social norms, and values. Culture especially plays a major role in shaping the communication and interaction styles. The next one is environment influence. The physical and social environment strongly shapes the behavior. It includes living conditions, economic status, education, and exposure to violence or stress. A supportive environment promotes positive behavior. A negative or stressful environment may lead to maladaptive behavior. Next one, we're going to see nature versus nurture. So, one of the most important debates in psychology is nature versus nurture. So, nurture refers to heredity and genetics. Nurture refers to environment and life experiences. So, the modern view says that behavior is influenced by both genes and environment continuously interact with each other. Neither nature nor nurture alone determines behavior. Next, we're gonna see another topic, which is fundamental characteristics of human behavior. Now, let us understand the key characteristics of human behavior. The first one is complex and multidimensional. Human behavior is complex. It is influenced by multiple factors. No single cause can explain the behavior completely. The next one is observable and measurable. So many behaviors can be seen and recorded, like speech, actions, and facial expressions. Scientific tools helps to measure behavior objectively. The next one is dynamic and adaptive. Behavior changes over time. People adjust their behavior according to situations, environment, and life experiences. Adaptation helps in survival and growth. The next one is goal oriented and purposeful. So, most human behavior has a purpose. People act to satisfy needs such as food and safety, love and belonging, self esteem, self fulfillment. Motivation directs behavior toward goal. The next one is individual differences. So, no two individuals behave exactly alike. Differences occur because of personality, intelligence, experiences, upbringing. So, this explains the diversity in human behavior. The next one is learned behavior. So, many behaviors are learned rather than inborn. Learning occurs through observation, limitation, experience. So, social learning plays an important role in behavior development. The next one is social in nature. So, behavior developed through interaction with others. Relationships influence thoughts and actions. Communication shapes behavior patterns. The next one is consistent yet flexible. So, some behaviors remain stable, like personality traits. At the same time, individual can change their behavior when required. So, behavior shows both stability and flexibility. Next, we're gonna talk about the importance of studying human behavior in social work. So, studying human being is very important, especially in social work. It helps to understand clients' emotions, problems, make accurate assessments, plan counseling and intervention strategies. It is useful while working with children, families, elderly, and mental health clients. So, understanding the behavior promotes positive change and improves overall social functioning. So, to conclude, human behavior is complex and dynamic. It is influenced by biological, psychological, social, and environmental factors. It is shaped by both heredity and environment. Understanding the human behavior helps the professionals respond effectively to human needs, address social problems, and promote positive development. It forms the foundation of psychology and social work practice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.